Man, alright, let's see. Oh boy, I gotta get this big boy out of here. It's gonna. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, I just dented the wall. Oh, God, I gotta pay for that apartment. Let's get this. Like this. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. I have to go on another trip. Piece broke off. I'm just gonna put it back in the case. Oh boy, this whole thing is just a mess. I'm just gonna have to change the camera settings. Ruin the air heater. Excuse me, Rose. I'm gonna run over your tail. It's gonna, oh my God. Okay. Well, where do we start? This job has ruined my nice Samsonite suitcase. By putting a hole in this netting. So that's been fun. Next year I'm asking for a suitcase because my suitcase has definitely been destroyed. I have to deconstruct this tripod here. Stuff doesn't fit in suitcases. Okay, put that bad boy back on. Good enough. I am doing a regular competition event this weekend in West Virginia. I've never been to West Virginia, so this is gonna be a new state for me. And I actually told my boss, hey, so I'm trying to hit the 50 states. Please put me for West Virginia. And he did. So I'm excited about that. Yeah. Okay. 21. That's not right. Okay, go to 0, buddy. Oh, maybe that's 53. Nope, that's 20. There's no way that's 20. Oh, it's in kilograms. Okay, blonde moment. Okay, we're definitely in the 50s. Okay, now I can't get this thing. Okay. What are we packing? Probably the snake. I always pack the snake in my other bag, but I think I might just do the extension cables and call it a day. Everything else I need, right? Yeah. Is this enough gaff tape? I hope so. You know, good thing I'm young, so I could do all the stupid heavy lifting jobs. Let's see now. Ooh, that's a lot lighter. I can honestly put the other cable back in here. I'm gonna break this thing. Great, okay. I'm just gonna put the power cord back in here. Okay, Jesus. It is only a one-day competition. I need to pack clothes. I don't need much, but this thing gets like caught. Oh boy, okay. I wonder if I keep doing this job, if I'll actually just hit all of the 50 states within this job. That would be kind of so fun though. This is literally legitimately what this job is like. It's just me packing 24/7. That's just all this is. You know what, that's okay. I accept it. I love traveling, except I like minimally traveling, so bringing all of this stuff sucks. But I'm knowing and learning how to travel with all of this stuff. Okay, how many times? So we're gonna be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday I'm coming home, so 3. Great. I might need an extra pair in case, you know, I want to work out or, you know, I have some time, you know, just, you know. Why are you yelling at me, Rosie? This is typically not the best time. Packing cubes, I need pants, I need socks. Okay, I need to do this, but then get this, like, I'm going to, this video is gonna be about how my cat wants to go outside. Go on, Rose. This video is gonna be about what my brain sounds like when I'm trying to pack. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of underwear, a sports bra. I need probably an extra pair of socks in case so these socks are folded so weird. Oh my God, I actually hate that. What shoes am I gonna bring? Should I bring 2 pairs of shoes? One for like working out and like work, and then like another for like chilling, or like, oh my God, what if I like did DoorDash on the way over there. That would be freaking crazy. Oh God, my folding is really not. I need to fold better for my trip to Japan, but I forgot that pair of socks. Oh my God. These are some thick socks. Maybe I should, where did my other socks go that were, oh, they're jammed in the back here. Okay, great. So I have my other pair of socks. That's three, okay, so 4 pairs of socks, because why not, right? This is such a really unfortunate way of packing this. This is kind of so big. I need to use the extender here. Use the extender. Maybe the extender is a little bit too big. Okay, let's close the extender. Oh, never mind. It's fine. Shirts. Okay, I need one, like, company shirt. Like, I work for them. I do. Look, here's a shirt to prove it. Okay, I also need a pair of pants. Did I wash the pair of pants? I think I just need to go get these pants. Let's see. Suitcases thrown everywhere in here. Okay, should I do cargos or should I do regular? Should I do gray or should I do black? I think, well, these are going to be heavier in my suitcase. So I guess maybe I wear those cargos and then like I'll wear these. Pack sweatpants. Should I pack these sweatpants for like sleeping, working out in, or like should I just do shorts? Should I travel home in shorts? Go home in these? Like these are just so heavy, so like maybe I'll, but like I don't like my legs touching on the airplane, on the seats. That's kind of gross to me, so I think we're gonna go with some like lighter pants. You know what, maybe I'm gonna go home. Maybe I'm just gonna go with these cargos. And the black cargos will be for work. I need a belt. So this is what I'm gonna wear for the day, for tomorrow. I'm gonna pack a sweatshirt because I don't know how cold the venues are. But I don't like this sweatshirt because it doesn't have a hood, but it's fine. I need t-shirts because black goes with everything that I have. So, okay, so let's just do like a whole black outfit here. And then we'll do another black shirt for the way home. Let's do a breathable one. Let's do the Fiobach one. It's always the best course of black shirts here. We still need a pair of shorts. You know what? I'm gonna pack a pair of shorts to either work out in, or if I want to go home in them, I can, because they're pretty comfy, pretty nice. Okay, and then so I have 2 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, shorts, and my sweatshirt. I'm just not even gonna worry about the plane being cold. I'll suck it up, or I'll cuddle up next to the other person. Okay, so this is all my clothes. I don't have a sleeping shirt. Does a sleeping shirt really matter? I don't think it matters that much. I think 2 pairs of pants plus a pair of shorts is fine. I'll just throw in a sleeping shirt, might as well, right? Extra shirts are always kind of a good thing anyways. So now these 2 things are packed. How heavy are these? I hope that doesn't matter, but it kind of does matter. So this, that'll work. Put this here, put this on top of everything to cushion everything. Kind of like that. So I have my toiletries. I need to buy another mini deodorant. I got my shirts, my underwear, stuff like that. Okay, great. I think that's all that I need to pack in this suitcase. Still kind of had that tripod just weighs so freaking much. Okay, let's see how much this is. This is in pounds. This is ounces. Why is it on ounces? 33. Great. Perfect. Good enough for me. I'm done with this. I'm done with this packing session.